Okay, so 736 on the key of E flat. So just to break it down real quick, we're starting with the melody. I'm sure you already know your scale. So we have melody line, we started with that slow from F to F sharp and G. So left hand side we have D and C. Then right hand side with my thumb I'm playing the F and G together like so. Then this is C. Let's take it together if you have your piano with you. Yeah, so the next chord, which is over the 3, you might decide to play the rootless or you just play it close. Nonetheless, it's fine, it's still the same thing. So over the 3 we have so left hand side we have G. On your right hand side on the top we have F. So next chord, this is C on my left. Then on my right hand side I have F, A and C. Then resolved to this next chord. Left hand side this is B. Right hand side this is F, A flat and B. Then come to the 6. This is a slow from C sharp, D to E flat. Then on my left hand side I have C, G and E flat. Then I added the arpeggio obviously. Right hand side is doing F, G and B flat. Repeat the same thing. Left hand side is E flat. Right hand side F, G, B flat, like that. Then we'll come back to the 4. So this is D and G, E flat, D and C. So left hand side is playing A flat, E flat and B flat. Then right hand side takes over, still B flat. We are still sustaining the notes, by the way. Let me play it again. You see I've not taken my hand. Then we have this parting notes or chord. Left hand side is doing E flat and F, while the right hand side is doing C and D. So then right hand side this is E flat, D and C. Then so left hand side again, this is A flat, E flat and A flat. Then your right hand will now play B flat and E flat. Let me take it again. I hope I'm not confusing you.